do, it's okay. I already happened that I did whole entire nails, it's totally fine. So here for 30 seconds, I can't even see the screen here though, but it's okay. Going to using this super freaking cute designers transfer foil, and I'm gonna probably doing it half of the nails. And I have right here next to me is a Golden Touch and is jet black. You can using elastic strips, which is I use them alternate between the gel painting as well. You can use either way. It's not can you get that the little pouch with all the strip in my drawer? Fun sport. Interesting, everyone. I'm gonna do half of this. Can you see? Because I can't see in this one. I can't see this to move my finger. Too bright. Facebook, can you see it? It look like you can see that. Great. I just don't want to do it half of it. You can do whole nails. I think whole nails will be cute as well. Oh, there's a little left. Little pressures. What nails? That's awesome. Vicky, she said just nails she would charge $18 and $20 on her salon. Oh, hold on, not that one. This one. Half of the nails. Great. So I would go into next one. I could do a whole set on this. It's really stunning. Sorry, it's funny. So go right into my gel painting, and I'm going to using both a jet black and golden touch. The reason I'm using both of the colors to give it like a really depth, like dimensions. Okay. Make sure I'm not spilling thing. All right. Deep into my I'm freaking love this one. It's really pigment. It's not like transparent at all. It's like really a black. I'm so pleased with this. I'm so quiet. Just give it. What you do is you want for a lot of beginners, if you feel like your hand is too shaky, is the best way to do it. To stationary, you can see that one of my fingers, I'm holding it. That it happens a lot to beginners, like we're not used to, like I have a hard time to practice at the first times, like a long time when I just start. And is one of struggling with me but then I overcome with that and said I gotta get it out, because then it will be really change the game. If you are stationary, this it will help you from really keep your e-file when you're working with clients or anything, is more stable, so you don't have that issue like shaky and stuff. You see, I move the client's fingers and my brush at the same time, so it give it really like a nice, precise strokes if possible, but it doesn't have to be really like completely perfect. All right, I'm gonna flash key it for 30 seconds. Great. Flash key for 30 seconds. I'm gonna get my little bumblebees here. Well, I don't know, so you call bumblebees the little bees. And wipe off my brush. I have it out here on the side. Which one would you like to see? Do you want to see a little bees or the bigger bees? I have several of them here. I have a cute little bees. This one I really want to see it on, everyone. She's cute. There's 4 different colors. There's silver, gold, retro golds, gold, and silver. Flash key, or like this cute little one. It's tiny. She's tiny. She's really baby tiny. Flash key 30 seconds. So I am going to using my Golden Touch. These 2 part of the gel painting is go with me all the time. I feel like I have a little backpack of my stuff, like I have all the time with me. And 1 part, y'all, is gonna last you forever. I don't know when you have to get another one unless you're really painting a lot. If you want more, go like on the seam or whatever you got it, frame, you can add more, go on it. If not, just a stroke over the top of the black. I'm real proud of myself. I'm like painting from far away from what I'm seeing in. Okay, let me move closer, my face closer. And the light is so bright. How everyone doing today? Very soon you're gonna see me go live 24/7. I'm just kidding. But you're gonna see me all the time, Monday to Saturday in the morning. 30-day quarantine, everyone. So I wanna see you every single day. If you see me and you get up, like wake up and you turn on your phone on your IG or Facebook, don't be surprised you hear my voice again, because actually I'm live, I'm going a live tutorials, not like just to record the video. So you're gonna see me all the time. But after 30 days of y'all all quarantine done, your skill is gonna be it's totally in the next level. I'm so excited for that. All right, it looked like I get some black, but look like it's just, this light is so hard to see though. I might need glasses though. It feels so good. I feel like I with everyone. Okay, good. You can be really perfect. I'm so OCD, so I probably might have to stop right here because otherwise I want to take forever and you're not gonna see my next design. So what is she doing? Great. All right. Here for 30